Hey everybody, I'm Dan. Let's get right to it. Mary's here behind the camera, and we're going to talk about a small update that we made to our lifting beam. You may recall in the other videos, and we'll link it to the description below, we use this for rigging inside our garage. It's obviously portable. We could take it anywhere else too. But it's a very robust beam, and it does a great job for our purposes because it has multiple lifting points. In the last video, if you haven't seen it, we did not have this lifting eye located here in the center of the beam. We only had the lifting points on the edge, and then we could do chains or straps to hook on here. But yesterday we had a friend of ours weld on this pad eye, and now with this pad eye on here, we hooked a 1/2 inch shackle, and then we took another 1/2 inch shackle to turn the direction, and we have a Harrington hoist on here. So this little change has made a big deal. We had it welded on, we ground it down, painted it, and it looks wonderful, and it really works well. If we want to flip this thing around and go from a lifting beam to a spreader bar, we can take the lifting eye and we can actually hook that to the hook using a shackle, and we can spin everything upside down, and we'll do a short B-roll of that showing the yellow fabric cable, the fabric straps that we'd use to hook it on. So anyway, back to the hoist. So this is a great update. So here we have our Harrington LX003, and this is a lever hoist. It's got 15 feet of drive chain. It's a wonderful unit. This thing is really compact. It costs about 500 bucks. So these things are not cheap. But for a fraction of that money, you can buy 1/2 ton, 3/4, 1 ton hoists, and either a chain fall configuration or a lever hoist like this one. And they do a wonderful job. But Mary and I want to show you something that's very important about this. So Mary's going to bring the camera closer. And with all these drive chains, you have to treat them like the separate tool that they are. You can't take this chain because you have 15 feet of it and wrap it around something and pull and yank on it. Because every chain has a head to it, every chain link, and the side of each chain looks like a shoulder on a person. So you want to make sure those shoulders remain intact, that the chain doesn't get twisted or bent or otherwise marred by handling it on girders and that sort of thing. Because inside of each of these chain falls, if I can get this to flip here so Mary can see it in the camera, and you'll see it in the B-roll, there's a little cup inside here. And with that cup, it actually rotates, and the chain lays right in that cup and then gets pulled through by gearing. And if you damage these chains or alter them, they can cause great troubles, and this chain will not go through the hoist properly. So when you're using these chains, you have to make sure that you treat the actual drive chain with care, because if you damage this chain, you may render your hoist useless. Keep your chains clean. Put these things in a clean space. Keep them covered up so they don't get all covered in grease and dust. And you take care of them, and they'll take care of you. And that's it. When you look at this kind of operation, I said it again, you take care of these tools, they're going to take care of you. They'll last a lifetime. They'll give you all the work you need. That's all we have right now. We'll see you on the next video.